Hi, my name is Maddox, and today I'm going to be telling you how to put numbers in order from least to greatest. When we look at a decimal number, when we look at the number before the decimal, that's a whole, and the number after the decimal is a part. Now, examples today will be 700.49, 6.39, 6.0, 700.50, and 7.0. Now, let's start by looking at the number before the decimal and look for the smallest numbers. We have 700, 6, 700, and 7. Let's pick up the sixes first. Now, because the numbers are the same, we're going to have to look at the number behind the decimal. 39 and 0. 39 is bigger than 0, so that means because 6.0 is smaller, it will go in front of 6.39. Now, let's go on to 7.0. 7.0 is bigger than 6, so we're going to move it in front of 6.39. Now, we'll look at the 700s. 700.49 and 700.50. Now, because the numbers are the same, we're going to do the same thing we did with the 6. We have 49 and 50. Because 49 is smaller than 50, we are going to move it in front of... So that means our number, it goes 6.0, 6.39, 7.0, 7.49, 700.49, and 700.50. Thanks for watching my video. Bye!